let's keep going. You might have figured out that my general strategy is to just keep swimming. I tend to just keep going at it until things start to make sense, because actually right now it is still not entirely making sense. Certain portions of this design are, so I'm kind of seeing what's happening in the front here, and I'm making more sense of it. But the stuff that's happening at the back here, I'm not as certain about, and I might probably take a few more stabs at it to where it starts to make more sense. Let's hide that layer and maybe hide the reference layer there. Oh my goodness. It's alright, it's not bad. But I'm still not liking it. I'm gonna do another round here. This time, I don't know, there's something about this concept here that I'm still liking, and maybe I haven't captured what it is yet. Let's drop down the layer transparency on here, and on the first layer I'm gonna rub out some of these extraneous lines. And let's get going. So I'm kind of liking all the stuff that's happening here, and I think I know what's happening here in this region, and I think I know what's happening here, and I'm not happy, I guess, with what's happening here. It's not maybe original enough. So perhaps we should start. Let's start here. Maybe we start off with some faceted shape. Something about it seems to be more natural in this area there. So maybe it lends itself to being an edge treatment on the edges there. Huh. That might be something to think about. Starting to be more interesting here, I think. Starting. And right about now is where I start thinking, how am I going to CAD this up? Fool! Which is why it is good to sketch these things out first, because you're not thinking about CAD. You're not thinking about. I mean, it is very hard to divorce yourself from CAD, from even like the forms, but maybe I'm seeing these as like little channels that are kind of standing out in their own environment here. I think it needs more resolution. Maybe I can start